Basics of Mechanical Engineering 3 Week 1 answers in NPTEL course. Question number 1. The entropy of a pure crystalline substance at absolute zero temperature is not zero. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. Let us see the explanation. According to the third law of thermodynamics, the entropy of a pure crystalline substance at absolute zero means 0 Kelvin, temperature is 0. So the correct answer is option B false. Question number 2. Which of the following is the correct form of the ideal gas equation? Option A PV equal to RT by N. Option B PV equal to nRT. Option C P plus V equal to nRT. Option D P by V equal to nRT. The correct answer is option B PV equal to nRT. Let us see the explanation. The ideal gas equation, also known as the ideal gas law, is PV equal to nRT, where P is the pressure of the gas, usually measured in pascals or atmosphere, where V, volume of the gas, usually measured in cubic meters or liters, where N is the number of moles of the gas, a unit of measurement for the amount of substance, R is the ideal gas constant, approximately 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. T is the absolute temperature of the gas, usually measured in Kelvin. So the correct answer is option B, PV equal to nRT. Question number 3. In a closed system, which of the following remains constant? Option A, volume. Option B, energy. Option C, temperature. Option D, mass. The correct answer is option D, mass. Let us see the explanation. A closed system is one where only energy can enter or leave, but no mass can cross the system boundaries. This means that the total amount of energy within the system, regardless of its form, that is heat, kinetic, potential, etc., will stay the same unless energy is added or removed from it. This principle is known as the law of conservation of energy. So the correct answer is option D, mass remains constant. Question number 4. When a system in a given initial state undergoes a series of processes and returns to initial state at the end of the process, then the system is said to have undergone a dash. Option A, cycle. Option B, path. Option C, loop. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, cycle. Let us see the explanation. When a system returns to its initial state after a series of processes, it is said to have undergone a cyclic process. This means the system's properties like pressure, volume, temperature are the same at the end as they were at the beginning. So the correct answer is option A, cycle. Question number 5. The state of a thermodynamic system is defined by its dash. Option A, microscopic properties. Option B, chemical composition only. Option C, macroscopic properties. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, macroscopic properties. Let us see the explanation. The state of a thermodynamic system is defined by its macroscopic properties such as pressure, volume, temperature, and internal energy. These properties, also known as state variables, determine the system's condition at a specific point in time. So the correct answer is option C, macroscopic properties. Question number 6. The internal energy of a system is a dash. Option A, path function. Option B, state function. Option C, process variable. Option D, control function. The correct answer is option B, state function. Let us see the explanation. The internal energy of a system is a thermodynamic state variable. It represents the total energy contained within a system and is the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy of its constituent particles. Importantly, it depends only on the current state of the system and not on how that state was reached. So the correct answer is option B, state function. Question number 7. The human body is an example of which type of thermodynamic system? Option A, closed system. Option B, isolated system. Option C, open system. Option D, adiabatic system. The correct answer is option C, open system. Let us see the explanation. We are an open system because we take energy in the form of radiation and also exchange heat with our surrounding through our skin. And to survive, we eat. That is, the matter enters and exits our body. So the correct answer is option C, open system. Question number 8. Internal energy depends on dash. Option A, temperature. Option B, pressure. Option C, volume. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Let us see the explanation. Internal energy depends on the temperature, volume, nature of the substance and the amount of substance. For an ideal gas, internal energy is primarily dependent on temperature. In contrast, for a real gas, it also depends on volume and pressure. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 9. Which of the following cycle is used in modern gas turbines? Option A, Brayton cycle. Option B, Rankine cycle. Option C, Otto cycle. Option D, diesel cycle. The correct answer is option A, Brayton cycle. Let us see the explanation. Modern gas turbines operate on the Brayton cycle, also known as the Joule cycle. The Brayton cycle is a thermodynamic cycle that involves isometric compression, constant pressure, heat addition, isentropic expansion, and constant pressure heat rejection. This cycle is ideal for gas turbines because it describes how they convert heat energy into mechanical energy. So the correct answer is option A, Brayton cycle. Question number 10. Which of the following is not an application of the zeroth law of thermodynamics? Option A, use of thermometers for temperature measurement. Option B, establishing thermal equilibrium between systems. Option C, measuring entropy changes in chemical reactions. Option D, calibrating temperature scales and sensors. The correct answer is option C, measuring entropy changes in chemical reactions. Let us see the explanation. The zeroth law of thermodynamics states that if two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, then they are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. This, this law essentially defines the concept of temperature and allows us to compare the temperatures of different objects. So the correct answer is option C, measuring entropy changes in chemical reactions. In the next video, we will discussing about week 2 answers for basics of mechanical engineering 3 in NPTEL course. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.